Yes, iyi ngiyi rero ni ishusho TV ijya nitwa Faustinho simbigarukaho tukaba turi ahangaha uko mubona inyuma yanjye hari buses cyangwa se electric buses. Izi ni bisi nshya ku butaka bw'u Rwanda dukeneye natwe kumenya bimeze bite. Ushobora kwibaza uti simbigarukaho noneho uje mu by'amabisi bimeze bite. Uyu munsi tugiye kuganira siporo ariko dutembera i Kigali tureba uko bimeze ariko dutembera nyine mu modoka nziza ziri muri uyu murwa. Iruhande rwanjye murahabona umwe mu bayobozi cyangwa se ni mu bayobozi bizi buses akoresha ururimi rw'icyongereza aratubwira agerageze kudusobanura muri make hanyuma duhita twinjira muri bisi then tugende tuganira byinshi aba muri Rayon Sport bimeze bite muri aperi bimeze gute Afcon iri vuba igiye gutangira ibyo byose turagenda tubyinjiramo kabisa neza cyane. First of all, introduce yourself to our viewers on Ishusho TV.
Great. Anyway, our dear audience.
Okay, anyway.
My name is Doreen Orishava. I'm the country lead for Basigo Rwanda.
Okay.
And we're really, really excited to bring the very first electric buses to Rwanda. We know that a couple of you have already been enjoying these buses. We have had 2 buses on the road for the last 3 weeks. I hope each of you has had a chance to board them. Would like to hear what you have to say about your experience.
Okay. Well. Doreen, first of all, what is Basigo?
Great. Basigo is an e-mobility company that is on a mission to really revolutionize how public transport works within the African cities.
Okay.
Our mission is really to bring electric buses as a very cost-effective and competitive alternative to the traditional diesel buses that you probably see all over the road. Yes.
So, ati Basigo ni ikigo cyangwa se ni company ishinzwe kuba yafasha abantu mu bijyanye na transport ariko by'umwihariko hakazaho izi modoka za electric nshyashya mu Rwanda. Ati rero twa dusanga mu imodoka ebyiri ahanga mu Rwanda ari ati ndifuza ibitekerezo byanyu kumenya niba mwararyohewe n'urugendo mu magambo make nuko abivuze. So Doreen, I would like you to explain to us how those buses works starting outside, then when we go inside, tell us more about those electric buses which are brand new in our country in Rwanda.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, we started with 2 buses and now we have 4. What's the difference? What's special about the electric buses?
Yes.
One, they are powered by batteries. They do not have an engine.
Okay.
They do not have an exhaust. I know usually when we park, people are looking, oh, are you sure there's no engine, there's no exhaust? Yes, they are entirely powered by the battery that gives energy to the motor. So it runs by the power of the motor.
Okay. Those are the batteries?
Yes, right here, these batteries, these specific buses have, well, we call it a battery, but it has literally 8 battery banks. 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and 2 at the rear. We will show you as well.
On the other side?
Yes.
Here we have 3?
Yes, 3. So each bus is really designed in a way to meet the needs of the market.
Yes.
And we have designed this bus to be able to do a couple of things. One, be able to do over 300 kilometers on a single charge.
Okay.
So electric vehicles really they are specified according to range. Range is how long a bus can travel. Yes, how many kilometers a vehicle can travel on a single charge.
Yes.
And these buses are designed to do over 300 kilometers on one single charge. They are also here. Yes, so this is the rear. This is where most of what we call the high voltage components are situated. So the battery will energize the motor, and the motor is what will send power now to the wheels to be able to make it move. In here we have what we call the all-in-one controller. We have a motor control unit. We also have connection.
All-in-one controller.
All-in-one controller.
Okay.
Yes, it's which is right there.
Okay.
So this is the unit that does what we call DC to DC conversion. It's able to send power. So when the battery is charged,
yes,
it's at a very high voltage.
Okay.
And then the different other components require voltages also at different levels.
Okay.
So that distribution of the different voltages is done through the DC to DC converter.
Okay.
It also manages the air compressor. So air compressor is a system that's going to provide the air, because we have air braking system within the buses.
Okay.
So it's able to provide the air to the different tanks to enable the braking of the buses.
I think this is the main part of the bus.
This is literally the heart of the bus.
Okay.
This, together with the battery, that is what forms the heart
Okay. Wow.
of these buses.
On the other side?
On this side, this is another battery. This is a radiator for cooling. What's it called? This is a radiator to help cool the motor.
Yes.
Because we have the motor underneath. Those are the other 3 battery banks we're talking about.
Like the one we saw
on the other side.
Yes.
So that's one, and then the 8th one is in here.
So muri make wenda kugira ngo mbicemo uko munabibona ku mashusho aravuga ati iki ni igice nicyo wakwita umutima w'iyi bus cyangwa se niho byose biherereye, harimo nyine controller, harimo ibice yagiye atubwira ati igihe bari yicharginge hajemo voltage nyinshi, ahangaha nicyo gice gikontrola vuga kiti ntabwo ishobora kurenza iki gipimo, ntabwo ishobora kujyana aha mu ncamake. Ahangaha iki ni igice gikontrola imigendekere y'ibisi. Akanyuma akakubwira ati rero hari bateri, hari twazibonye 3 n'ahangaha turazibonye, naha mubonye indi imwe hariya hasi. Rero tukabona ikindi gice nacyo gifasha. So navuga ko iki ni rwose ni bisi mu bigaragara ikoze neza. We can go inside, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
we also have a very important component which we call the battery management system, or well known as the BMS. So the battery management system, this is the unit that literally, just like the word, it manages the battery. It's the one that regulates the battery charging, the battery voltage, the battery current.
All those 8 batteries?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay.
That unit. So this all-in-one controller, it does the high voltage system management.
Yes.
Then this one really, it's a one that's going to send signals on how the battery is performing. What voltage is the battery? What current is it? What state of charge?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm getting too technical, but but yeah, ideally blame the engineering in me. And what we have, no, I'd prefer that we shoot the other charger. No,
okay.
Not this one.
But those are the charger?
Yes, these are the chargers. I would prefer that we shoot the branded one.
Yeah, okay. No problem.
Yeah.
So,
to the inside.
Inside. Yes, turimo rero turareba uko iyi bisi ibimeze. Murakomeza kugenda mubi ikurikira rwose mu ncamake ko iyi bisi ikora, abona ko ni bisi za sawa cyane kabisa, twifuza ko zaza mu Rwanda ku bwishi. This is the entrance?
Yes, this is the entrance. It's okay. To show you how the doors are controlled.
Yes.
So, welcome aboard.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much. We're proud to bring you state of the art.
Yes.
Really state of the art buses. These buses are designed to carry over 70 passengers, 39 seated and a couple of more standing.
Yes.
But from the tests we have been doing, we've seen them carry even over 100 buses. 100 passengers.
Okay.
As you can see, the seats are really comfortable.
Yes.
And one unique feature about this is we have ports.
Okay.
Charging ports for the passengers.
Yes.
As they travel. We know that it's a generation that loves to be on their phone.
Yes, online.
They want to be online.
Yes.
So we wouldn't want our passengers to run out of juice on their phones. All they have to do is carry a charger and you will be able to charge your phones very fast.
Okay.
We have...
Okay. Let me summarize. So ati ewan zini bisi nkuko mubibona yatweretse aho twinjira interest, hanyuma natubwira buryo intebe zimeza, aravuga ati nahantu wicara uri comfortable meze neza cyane, nta kibazo ufite kabisa, urabona ko ni intebe nziza, maguru taya hinje, urabona ko anga umeze neza. Ariko atumwihariko ukomeye wazo nuko muri isi turimo ya technology ya internet, aho umuntu akeneye kugenda achatinga n'inshuti ziwe aho uri hose, utavuze ngo ngeze muri basi ngo reka ngo mbe mbaye offline ngo navuye ku murongo, ntabwo ariko bimeze ahangaha. Uguma ku murongo kubera ko hari n'uburyo telefone ntabwo ikuzimana, hari charger, hari amaports ushobora gushyiramo telefone yawe, ibintu bikagenda neza cyane. So the other features,
we also have CCTV cameras.
Okay.
When we design our buses, we think about safety, both on the passenger perspective as well as the entire bus. So on any given day, we're able to keep track of what's happening in the buses. Should anything go wrong, we are always able to reference the footage.
So when someone being robbed can come to you and show them the images.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. Ati kabisa iyi ngiyi ni kamera ku buryo ugize ikibazo muri bisi, hari umuntu mwahuriyemo wenda wakugiriye nabi cyangwa iki, ibyo byose barabikwereka nyuma. Urumva ko ni technology kabisa imeze neza cyane. I see screen.
Of course, entertainment again. It's a generation that loves entertainment. Help me switch on the TV. So we call this the infotainment system on the radio.
It's an infotainment.
Yes.
Okay.
We have
yes.
We have the radio, we have the TV, we have what we call high fidelity speakers distributed all around. So depending upon what the passengers on board prefer, we're able to play music, we're able to share videos, we're able to share information as well.
Okay.
We also have emergency exits in case we really hope that they will never be used.
Yeah, sure.
But in case of anything, we usually show our passengers how to exit the bus. In case the door can't open,
okay,
they will be able to get this hammer. I could just pick
this one.
Yeah, feel free to pick one.
Oh.
Remove it, pull it out, eject it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so in case of an emergency, the passengers can just extract this and hit the window.
Okay.
So that they can escape via the window.
Ahangaha igihe rwose kaba kabaye cyangwa se hari ikintu kidasanzwe uhita ugafata kubitari akabisa ukaba nk'umukomando wasohoka neza cyane. Ariko ati ntabwo twifuza ko ibyo bizaba, ntabwo ari ibintu twe expectinga ko haba ibintu biba, ahubwo nyine ugomba kuyigendamo iri safe. Ariko in case habaye ikintu kitari safe uragafata ari akabisa ugahita usohokera ahangaha neza. Urumva ko ni ikoranabuhanga ryo ku rwego rwo hejuru.
Yeah, as well as we also have what we call the escape hatch. In case the bus rolls over or overturns, again, if passengers can't use the door, they just have to push this and then they'll be able to escape. One other very important system, I know people always ask, oh, won't we be electrocuted? What if the bus catches fire?
Okay.
One thing I didn't show you in the rear is the battery compartments are also equipped with automatic fire suppression systems.
Automatic
fire suppression systems.
Okay.
So in case that the temperature of the batteries really shoots high, or in case there's a fire that's developing on the battery,
okay,
we have a system that immediately goes off and it's able to shut down the fire.
Yes.
So people should never really be worried when they are boarding these buses. I can show it to you again later. Probably he could quickly shoot this just to show as part of the entertainment system. If you want to
connect your phone,
yes, you can connect your phone. You can play the radio.
Okay.
You can have a different media system. This shows what's happening on the cameras. Also on the dashboard, it's able to show the different information about the bus.
Okay.
How is the battery? What's the health of what we call the state of charge. So state of charge is like on your phone when you see percentage.
Yes.
Maybe your phone is at 80%. So the same thing.
It warns you when the phone is going to be off. Yeah.
So even here, our system is able to show you what percentage the battery is at, so that you know how far do I have to drive.
Yes.
We've also trained our drivers. Today the captain is Rashid. Rashid, say hi to
Rashid. Hi. Hi. Twagusuhuje Rashid. Okay. So we turatemberana uratubwira uko bimeze. So Doreen, thank you so much. I think
been a pleasure.
We are going to do some sport show here in the bus. Rashid will explain us to so much more about the technology of the bus, everything on the road. So for me, I really like those buses.
Thank you.
Yeah,
it's our pleasure, and we've designed the bus to really work well for the passengers, for the operator, and as we do this pilot, really these 4 buses, the units are few because we want first to do a pilot and understand how do the buses actually operate before we move to scale. So through this pilot, we hope we'll be able to get the answers that we know Minifra has been looking for with regards to how electric buses perform in Rwanda. We hope to give the answers to the city of Kigali. We hope to have answers for even the bus operators.
Yes.
Even the passengers, like everyone who has had questions about electric bus performance in Rwanda. As Basigo, we are really proud that we are taking the lead in ensuring that we can provide those answers. But above all, our plan is to provide safe, reliable, state-of-the-art buses for our dear passengers all over Rwanda, the citizens of Rwanda. You definitely deserve the very best.
Wow,
and we are happy to bring this to you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.